Hi everyone, I hope you're having a great week so far. I wanted to do a brand new video on another Lancome product that I am most recently obsessed with, and it is a highlighter, and I really want to showcase how I wear it and what I really like about it, and hopefully you like it too, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so I want to share with you my new favorite highlighter. I'm always in search of a really great highlighter and one that's not like too, I guess, cakey. I like it to be light, I like it to be thin, but I really like it to stand out. And when I'm in that sun, I want my cheeks to shimmer and shine beautifully and make my face look awesome. Okay, so I wanted to go through this beautiful highlighter. So pretty. I love rose gold, but the thing that is kind of interesting to me is it came with a sponge, and I've never actually used a sponge for highlighter, but I wanted to use it because I feel like if that's what comes with the product, then why not actually see what it's meant to do. So obviously I've never used this. It's blank. I typically use a brush like this that's like a mini small contour brush, and just like, you guys have probably seen me do that before, but let's use the sponge and put it on my cheek. So, ooh. Okay, I know you could see that. And I just like patted it over my blush. Look at the other side. Nothing. Let's do the other cheek. So anyways, I'm pretty much obsessed. I feel like it comes out so natural and so pretty, and it really, for my skin tone, the rose gold is like absolutely perfect. So anyways, I think the consistency is awesome. Let me just put it on my finger and like, so you could see how iridescent that color is. It's just like so pretty and so natural and neutral, and you could really wear it every day if you wanted to. You could put a little bit on your Cupid's bow. You could totally put like some underneath your brows. There's just so much that you can do with this, but I highly recommend this product. I love that it comes with the sponge. Actually, it was quite easy to put on, so I am going to leave that in there. And it's nice for travel too. If you don't want to bring a brush, it's just in your compact. But I highly recommend this product. Definitely go on. I'll leave a link below so that you can go in and get this product very, very easily. But this is the number 3 Radiant Rose Gold Dual Finish Highlighter by Lancome. So definitely check it out. If you like this product, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments below, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to follow my Instagram, you can check me out at alwaysmeliss, and my website is alwaysmeliss.com. So anyways, I am like admiring myself in this beautiful camera right now because I'm obsessed with this highlighter. So go out and get it and let me know what you think. Thanks guys.